Hi, my name is Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So how do you add your website to Google search? Let me just show you. First of all, we're going to open a new window, and in Google, we're going to type in Google Search Console, and we'll hit search, and it will probably likely be the top result that comes up. So we're going to click on that. Now, I'm already logged into Google, so I don't need to log into my Webmaster account. If you haven't got a Webmaster account, create one. And then when you go to this page where you do that search, you'll already be logged in. We're going to click on Start Now. Okay, so this is one of a few accounts that I've got, so we're going to add it to this account. So the web address for this this account that we're going to be adding, or for this website that we're going to be adding, is membership websites demo.net. So we're just going to copy that and we'll go back to this page. We're going to use a drop down here. So there's a drop down just in the left hand corner, just above the sidebar. So we're going to use a drop down and we're going to add a property, and we're going to enter it in this section just here, just where it says domain. Now we don't want the start of that domain, so I'm going to take out the start of that domain, and I'm also going to take the slash off the end as well that's copied over. So we can see we've got membership websites demo.net. We're going to then click continue. And then you're presented with this page. Now, depending on how you've got your domain set up, would depend on what sort of way you go next. What we're going to do is, our domain is purchased through 123reg.co.uk, but the name servers are pointing to the Brilliant Directories website. So what we're going to do is, number one, where it says instructions for, we're going to use a drop down arrow, and we're going to just use any DNS provider. So we grab that. And then in this section, we're interested in section 4 of this. We want to copy this code. So we just click the copy link. And that's on our clipboard once we click that copy link. And that's the section that we want to copy. Now we're going to go back to our website. Okay. We're now going to go to the admin section of the website. We're going to go down to Developer Hub. Now, if you've not got access to Developer Hub, there is another way that you can do this. You can get to it through emails and email accounts, but I'm just going to show you where it is in Developer Hub. So we're going to go to our cPanel, so cPanel dashboard. We're then going to go down and scroll down, and we're going to go to our zone editor, and then we're going to manage our zone editor for this website. Now, what we want to do is we want to add a TXT record. So it's at the bottom of the drop-down list here, TXT record. And we're going to paste that code, that verification code. And then just at this side, we're going to put in the domain name, again, without the www. So we're just putting membership websites demo.net. So we can see membership websites demo.net. We've pasted in the verification code, and it's a TXT. So this is what you're looking for. We're going to save that record. So that's been saved successfully. We're then going to go back to Google. So we've done that. And then we're going to click on the verify button. And if this has been done correctly, and sometimes it can take a few minutes, it doesn't necessarily happen straight away. So if it's been done correctly, hopefully we'll get a green box appear. There we go. Ownership verified, done. So that's now been added to this, and we can go in here and we can see here membership websites demo.net. So we can go into that. We've got a sitemap section just here, so we can click on the sitemap. And then if we want, we could go back to our website. We can go into Toolbox Sitemap Generator, and we can generate a sitemap, and we can copy that sitemap URL just here, and we can carry that over, and we can paste that in there and then submit it to Google. So I hope that is makes it a bit more clearer on how to add your website to Google search pages. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.